something. What that? Man, Pete, bright and beautiful morning, and you don't know I go there. But first of all, I want to say welcome back to the channel because you don't know the thing go. You see what I say? I've posted a video for a while. You see me? But we're there. I head out on the seaside to see if we can catch some fishing idea, do some hunting. You see me? But we want to stop at the river. You know? We get a chop. We get couple equipment from a subscriber. Father, tell big up yourself, you don't know the thing go. So this is one of them. You see when I say the chop. So we say we are going to set it safe. We can catch 2 crayfish or 2 tilapia and you don't know the thing go. You see me, so Father, tell, you know, give we a host of stuff, you know. Rods, chop and stuff. So to the idea where we are going to test them. You see what I say? Lines and you don't know where go peeps. Rigs and a lot of stuff, so we are test them out today. So as I want to say again, big thank you to Father Hartel and respect. You don't know the thing go. So peeps, yard and abroad, just keep it locked. There, so we are going to set that trap here. So by we are coming from sea, we can go so boom so and pull it up, see General Father Fox there. So big up explore anyway in the same way you see it. So people just go and keep it locked, man. Remember, hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment. And you don't know it go. Yeah, man. Big up. Yard and abroad. Heart of love. So peeps, you see what we are doing now. We have a coconut here, so. We have a coconut. So we have the burn piece I put in the chop cause. Guess what now? You see the crayfish them, the shrimp them. That's what them like. You understand, peeps? You see anywhere them there and it burn in the water, them smell it and come out for it. So peeps, as I say, we just set this before we go out on it. Seaside, by we are coming back, we pull the chop. So you just stay tuned, man, and I know no want to see what I go on. You get what I say, so we out here, peeps. You see me?
Yeah, run still.
Yeah, man, peeps. So you see what I go on now. Coconut dip on fire, a burn. You see what I say? We have 2 pieces over there, so we no burn. General, there saw build a spliff a long time. I don't see rope grabber. I get rope grabber, man.
You see that rope out back of fire.
Yeah. A old man burn rope grabber, you know, my general. Yeah, man, see it, eh?
I see him leaf, you know. Could get that leaf last night, so man, just sorry.
People, I know a long time I don't see Father Fox, you know. Take on the road, I wonder if no barrage are into there. But we see, no. Because we not stay out there long neither, you know, peeps. You see it? Yeah, man. We just do what we have to do and touch in back, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. One peeps, so that one they done burn. Come up to the next one, you know. You see me, 2 of them we done burn already. But me I wonder if we put them in a chop just so, if them are go float up to the top. Them are dead, them are drop down there. Them are sink. Alright then, so that bun, man. Remember fish nose strong and your nose, you know.
Fire out down too.
Yeah, man, so Fox I go set down the chop, you know, coconut them inside of it and everything. First thing we are trying to coconut, you know. Sometimes like breadfruit and them thing, they are chop more things like perch, you know. Like the tilapia them, but the coconut now, we are talking about crayfish and them thing there, you see me? Shrimp and them thing there. But as you don't know to crayfish not to traveler there too. You get what I say? Them is a night traveler. So we might make the chop stay overnight if anything as well. You get me? So set him down. Float them, float, man. The one them a bun float. Crayfish them a stay up, shrimp them a stay up on top. I don't know them gonna sing too. Yeah man peeps, I don't know if you can see what going on. But the chop is set there so. See what I say? So as I say, when we are coming back, then time that we are pull the chop. Yeah man people, so now that the chop set, when you don't know the thing go, we are going to touch out on the sea and see what we can catch. So we do it before we touch on the seaside, yeah? Stop and grab all and 2 beverage to drink. Don't know where you go. See me? Yeah man, up at top.
2 of them bullets. Just can't work anymore.
That's a eating of peeps. How about this fire? You me general?
Yeah. Smallest line this hour. See them right there, sir? My box. My pound testing.
Smallest one, 15.
Next one now.
Yeah man, so peace me talk to the man, master, the man out for rush me, you see it? Yeah man, I just show you a general do him work, you know? Tie up in fish pot, you know? We are passed through. So I go on fishing village with the peeps, so I don't know where come down man. Heart of love. And peeps, so we are go over in the bush you know. I look some soldier crab, you see it? The people know them as hermit crab. We call them soldier crab a yard. See, on this location, you know, people, when we look soldier crab, them soldier crab are not very big, you know. You find 1 and 2 big one, but the smaller one, them alright, see a nice size on your peeps. So what I go on? So see what can go on now, peeps. See, peeps, most of the small one, you know. They them size, they make too small. Sometimes when you move some places, you know, you butt them up, you know. Small screen, yeah. Eh? Oh, up in there, so we have to go. Fox, so we have to go up further on the bush, you know. Yeah, man. So we are telling our peeps. So one, yeah man, Fox just show me, but I just show you camouflage. Them camouflage, you know, peeps. Show them have the looks of the leaf sometimes and then in some place. You step up past them or step on them, you know. Yeah man. Official parrot bait. You see me? Watch it again now, peeps. See me? One that, you know. And next one and next. See them camouflage? Yeah man. Put that one down your box, look well.
Yeah, that's nice, yeah. Next one, this one, I need to stick this.
See we find this.
Some more in this, a couple of them.
Yeah, man. So people, I lock off the camera and pick them up. So when we finish now, we make on see what go on. Yeah man, peeps, so we finish hunting soldier crab come out of the bush. You see me? So we are head to fishing here now. Don't know the thing go, peeps. Yeah man. See it there? Live and live in colors. And so peeps, when you see that small school of fish here, yeah man, Fox said them name white fries, you know. Them hide in a shallow from like, you know, the jack and the look snap of them, you know. Some small barra as well, you know. So them a seek refuge. I mean I tell us how whole heap of them peeps up there. Then get big.
Then I get big.
For them size that.
Biggest time I get around them.
Oh, I'm not eating fish, man.
Bait.
Oh. Alright peeps, so we are head on, you know. Don't know where come down. Yeah man peeps, so we reach on the rock, you know. Seems like a beautiful day out for out fishing. You get what I say? Yeah man, the water kind of bouncy. But as Foxy that say, them weather are the pink parrot and the blue boy them like so. I come out from some mountain, you know? Yeah man. You bait for set that? Alright, yes, so grab a bait quick and fast. Alright peeps, so out here with the step out on them and now with the peeps, is it? Heart of love man. Yard and abroad. Is it? Good look out. You see me? Yeah man. Peeps, so this is the machine that I go use today. You get what I say? I guess this is about 6 foot. You get what I say? Yeah man. Alright, you know? Yeah man, peeps, see it there? Nice machine, you know? Yeah man. So respect to Father Hotel, you know? Yeah man. See the peeps? Test him today for the first time, so I see what go on, you know what I mean? Yeah man, I go use it and I use it online as well. You get what I say? But I go use the rod as a set line, so I set it. Yeah? So stay tuned, babes, keep it locked, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Yeah man peeps, so we get some other accessories, sorry about that. You know? Go and try out a few of them in the course of the day, yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah man. See the peeps? I don't know why I'm come like say I'm seawater catch these, so I'm a bit rust, but I get them clean. You know what I'm saying peeps, so see the peeps? I want to try out a few of these in the course of the days. You see what I say? Yeah man. I don't know where go, you know. We get them and share them up, you know. And we get some hooks as well, see them peeps, so but we already share up the hooks them as well. You get what I say? Me between me and Fox and Explore. You know, we just share up everything. Make it happen, you know. You don't know where go peeps, I'm day one. So I want to say a big respect again, you know, to Father Hotel, you know what I mean? Yeah man. So you test out the thing them to the peeps, so keep it locked man. You know what I mean? Yeah man, yard and abroad, pick up on yourself. Yeah man peeps. Yeah man, the first catcher makes sense since there, you know. Yeah man, a blue parrot, you know. In color change, but it's a blue parrot. Down there. Let me take the hook out and mount the peeps, hold him up, I couldn't see what I go on. Nice one man. I'm still active, just come out of the water. See it, him kill me with flash. Yeah, man, see man. Alright peeps, see him go on. Alright, we have a remedy for him man, you know. Show me only I can use one of my hand them. You know? But we have a remedy man. See the peeps? Well look, you know. Yeah. Boom. And guess what I do with the pliers? Bend up the hook, you know. Come on peeps, him well up. Well up. But you as me tell you one and me for use, me have to use. Come on, see the peeps, him well up. But see me peeps. Nice blue boy, you know. Yeah man. Show him getting serious, I catch them. Them don't really make no sense still, but you see me? See you hold something? Yeah. Alright, Fox, him hold something, Jack. Yeah man, see him that come in. Yeah man. Nice blue run I look like peeps. Yeah man. Whoa! That is it, and we are about to move look while, you know peeps. Set him on the barrel line same time.
You know, like this fish now have something like this.
Yeah, man, hold on there. Yeah,
Hold
man,
on.
peeps. See me? Yeah, man. Nice, buyer. Explore. If you're there, I know you and catch something already too. See it, peeps. Nice, nice. Drop, blow around. Take him out of the sun, you know? Yeah, man. So you come like say the spell broke, you know. Yes, peeps. Outside with there. Peeps. We never get to chew up back my line again and Fox say, hold him again. Jack again.
Yeah.
Like a bit that in jump off. See him up on top, see him.
Yo, I want to open up on the barrel line down. I want to open up on the barrel line down.
Judge, I know you talk too quick again. Come like a bed of them out there. And then we can chew out the sitting there, you know. But they're not going to attack you if it's too big.
Too big.
You see me? I have something in the case of the jack, you know, I try it. I try it. Yeah, man, perks. Fox grab a gold tail. I did busy so I couldn't catch it on camera, but a nice gold tail, huh? Boy, them down there, man. Boy, them dead, please. Boy, them dead. Yeah, man, father Fox. That's a cool in a bro, J. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, paper, so another blue parrot. We don't know what go down. You know, joke around here, man. See my peeps? Another blue one. Yeah, man, fresh from water, same way. That one here, the hook not really stuck down in my mouth that time still, you know? Peeps, blue parrot, you know? You walk now, you might have said, me I call him blue parrot, but him no look blue, but you see when him just come out of the water.
Pink and blue.
Yeah, man, him blue, you know? But see the pink and blue in there now, so nice one, people, even nicer than the first one. You see me? See it there? So thank you, Ja, for another one. Yeah, man, Fox a gilding up him line to get a heavier sinker. We out here, people. We don't really test none of the hooks them there so yet. You get them here, so because most of them hook here for night time, you know? Yeah, man, so you don't know I got peeps, you see me? Yeah, man, keep it locked, man, yard and abroad, big up on yourself. Yeah, man, outside. Yeah, man. Then I string up him string, you know? Yes, I am. So I go on there. Nah, left nothing to there. Pilot them now, yeah, what we are going to do with them now, peeps? We are save them. Count them off Christmas Day. Who have the most pilot for Christmas Day get a big prize, you know? Yeah, man, what want to say about that? Well, I'm big pot of pilot, so.
White.
White. Yeah, man, so see that string the peeps?
Fuck it down, you know? This place I go up top down.
Yeah, man, peep, Fox, hold another one, you know? Eh? Snapper? Yeah, man, bring him up where the people don't see him. Yeah. Nice, God bless, you know? Nice, little God bless.
Hook up a nice one, nice one out.
You know, turn out so bad after all, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, remember, say, after a long break from sea, they are back out here try, you know? So, nice, little God bless, you know? Yeah, man, peeps, so, Fox hook another one. Yardo. So the guard there go. You see him? See guard? Alright, back I parrot him there when come. Alright, peep, me I try to catch a guard there. You see it? Quick and fast. Fox just hook the parrot here. Yeah, man, people, as me tell them I come out and test the rod today. I don't really do no fishing with it still in a peeps, cause you don't know. this seems like it's more of a night sea or deep sea rod, you know, some bigger fish, because like some fish certain size them can't bend this rod there, you know. You get what me I say? Come on, let's take a look on Fox one. Fox is a all purpose, you know. Same way. So half pound can bend it, make you see say yeah. You get what me I say? But we out here people and kinda run out of bait now. So we are go out. We are go check with the chopper now we set at the river before we come out here, you see me? Yeah man, so we are go back across on the land and go check it, you know. Yeah man, we out here and we need some water as well. Don't know the thing, man. So not. So viewer, subscriber, we there, man, you see me? Yeah man, we don't know the thing, man. Long time we don't come out and do it for no see me, you see me? Yeah, than a brad, man, big up on yourself always, man, heart of love, all heap of respect, all heap of blessings. We don't know. You see it? Yeah man, see the peeps? Nice day out, done. Talk to it now. Yeah man. So here we are now. As we say, we are touch out on the land. Go check the chopper now. So let's keep it locked. Yeah man, peeps.
Look, we see line on and the jam so. I say yeah man.
A 2 for 1 deal, listener. Yeah man. Look them on 2 yard. You say I throw off a 2 yard. I like them out there. Yo.
Alright now.
You ready? Yeah.
Watch
Watch out, peeps. Jaja. Yeah, man. Good look before, you know. We step off of the sea. But two of me still like the guard them out there. You get what I say? So, I take one. You have more bait to throw out there, sir? I take one more throw with the sitting and see if them and pick you up. Meanwhile, I pack up peeps. You see it? Yeah, man. 2 for 1. Yeah, man, my peeps. So my look catch a feed here, you know. 2 nice parrot. 1 pilot and I'll drop off like in the road if you're on the street.
Good thing in a beer.
And 2 guards, so you know what we have to do here now. We are going to land, we set the trap. We want to see fox sketch too, you know, peeps, because we don't know what thing going on. We are going to make you see fox sketch, so then we touch out the land. So people keep it locked, yeah? Yeah, man. Man, peeps, and see fox sketch, yeah. Lovely, you know. To see it, you know, man. Gold tail, though. Gold tail, 2 gold tail. And a jack, snapper, couple pilot still, but you don't know, you know. In a game, pilot soap, you see it?
That may I tell them.
Yeah, man, we are going to make a famous. We are make a famous pilot soap and idea them make on see, you see it? Famous pilot soap, because them a fish too. So people we are run Garland, you know, we don't do what we have to do, so keep it locked, you hear? Yeah, man. And people, so reach out back on the road, you know. Fox, I go check him pot, you know. There's something I've been there. Alright. We now go see. We are going to see you. Peeps. Dan say, we should have faith. I yard dry pot, man. I have to catch everything, you know, man. So we reach back on location, you know. You see me? So you say you don't see nothing? Eh? You don't see nothing in there? You have to drive if you see what I go on, man. You want to say faith, man, and you give up already?
Yes, I give up for one.
You say faith and strong mind, you know, man. You see something on the coat not for true. Alright. Fox. The good saying say the fisherman who join fish pot early catch no fish, you know. But we don't see nothing in there.
That's why I'm
like you want flat somewhere.
Yeah.
Flat you want flat, that's isn't it? I feel so if you set this something up under this is still enough. Yeah. Get the hook at it and but people are gonna say nothing in our trap, so we are set it overnight and come dry it a morning, is it? So we will go for the hook at it and then we set it, is it? So keep it locked. Yeah man, so Fox I go dry it up Take it up and make the people them see what I go on. Say really empty. One janga we see. What? Oh, I quote that.
One janga in the man, close to one
I
janga.
quote that chick when I see sitting flash. You see me? Peeps come like them fish and not used to them type of living here, you know. And you can set it all. Yeah.
I tell you man, boy, scratch our made come like you catching a bait. No crayfish, no janga, no perch, nothing.
So we are setting overnight. One janga and catching a chop in the peeps, but we set it up under the bush. So by tomorrow morning we are making to see what go on. And I must see a better result. You see it?
I'll load tonight, man.
Alright then, we don't go on a hill, no go there go eat out with crayfish, man. You see?
If you go in there, we have to go eat him, and if you
What
eat
you mean?
food, you know.
Alright
That
then.
can I tell you.
See him so. So people, keep it locked, man. Yeah man, my beautiful people, so we come to the end of another video, you see it? Yeah man. Wasn't a bad day out because we not complain, you see it? And if you reach so this far in the video, remember, you know. Remember, leave a like. That's why I say hit the notification bell. You get what I say? We're out here and ready to give back on some adventure, so heart of love, you know, man, hard and a beard big up on yourself. Yeah man. Until next time, keep it locked. So what I say? Make you hear what Father Fox have to say. Right now, fish got get trash. See, I'm not check it.
So,
So you say go on. You say you feel in the morning like sitting go on feet. Out there, you know, man.
full sitting, go on feet. Sleep one night, you know.
Top of the morning viewer subscribers. So we're there now. You know we are going to check the chopper now in the peeps. You see me? So it's there overnight. So I hope something go on, is it? So you see what I go on. How you look there. Yeah man people, so check your crayfish pot now man, you know? See what I go on. Aye. No. Nothing like nothing go on fox.
Can't draw nothing, man. You know. That must stroke. If I was something I feel there, man.
There's something I feel in there.
Something.
What? What that?
Like mudfish.
One crayfish.
Crayfish in there.
One long giant, you see.
I tell you something I feel there, man.
And one mudfish. The jungle way in there yesterday. Two local
The
jungle.
mudfish name them, man.
Mudfish name them? People, we are bringing you up a land, I couldn't see what I go on here, man. Cause
Mudfish name them, man.
bring you up a land. I don't know crayfish, it's a long giant. Alright, at least you give a look who up to set it back, peeps.
I'm name them, you know. The mudfish name them, you know.
You jungle them?
Yeah.
Well, you know where you might go get.
You never get name, man.
You never forget them. I get them, man. So people, yeah, him name them for true, you know. See all it in our mouth, they see him, you see it?
No, that may tell us him name them, man.
So what this, I think you could have pulled this and sit.
No cut. You know, have a cut him, man. Remember, I knew something.
Look there. You see that, peeps?
Yeah. See all one in the mouth,
Yeah,
right?
man,
See the
see
same, man. I'm name them, man.
No, I'm fat one in here, I now watch in my belly, see my
That
peeps.
may tell her.
Yeah, man. So that means this you can use. See my people. Nice size one, you know. That means you can't use sitting there then. This can't use catch a chop, we beat them. Come
Shake him down to his side, man.
Can't take a class from here in the morning, man.
Something cut it though.
Where?
Something cut it pot on the bottom of the dog.
Where?
See it on the other side.
So we catch couple janga and the fish name them, so I know nothing that still. So see it there? At least you catch look of food, you know? But if you're looking at that one in your belly, you know, you see say yo. Yeah man, see it there?
Boy.
Nyam there. Then we see if we can dry him up. Now he might die just. Big one, you know? I see him sitting there, man. Yeah man, see the peeps? Yeah man, but that's good man. Set him back still. But wonder, should I bring something? If we didn't know, say something. Tear down here so we could bring it fit. But I don't think that I gonna affect it still. You visa?
Alright.
Set him back. Visa, set him back.
I need to a coat that there. Oh, you don't know. I set him back up and over there, sir.
So see the people we get out there. See this is that digest, you know. See that? You know what I mean? Pipe water, man. So man. So see the people we beat up at the chop, you know, we put some boiled breadfruit and 1 plum and 2 dumplings in it plus the coconut. So I don't know if we set it and dry it, look more in the evening, we are dry tomorrow morning. What you feel, sir? What you feel, sir?
Anything, man.
See me?